Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of great Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am Tokir Abid from I-CET Academy, and here today this is a chain of lectures related to the spoken English course, and we were discussing about the grammar skill. In my last lecture, I was discussing about the sentence. What is sentence? And then I was telling you about the types of sentence. And today we are going ahead and we will discuss about the first type of sentence. I was receiving here a suggestion from one of my students that sir, you should also tell about some sentences related to the daily use. So in my this video and in my further videos now, I'm also including those important sentences. So first of all, first type of sentence is affirmative sentence. Basically, this is of two types. The first is assertive sentences and the second is negative sentences. Assertive sentences mean that we are talking about the positive. We are talking about some very important sentences related to the normal use in the positive sense. While negative, in which we use no, not, na, etc. For example, she is studying in class 2. For example, it means that it's an assertive sentence. She is studying in class 2. For example, if you are saying that she is not studying in class 2. It means that here it's a negation of words. It means that I'm talking about that she is not studying. So this is a negative sentence, right? Similar, there are so many examples. For example, you are fine today. And for example, you're not fine today. And now students, some common use sentences. I mean that related to the affirmative sentence. Here today, we will also discuss about these sentences. And the first sentence is, if your health is fine, it's a positive answer. It's a kind of assertive sentence. I'm fine. Some person is asking, how are you? And you are replying, I'm fine. Similar, it's an example of assertive sentence. This is example of negative sentence. For example, if you have complained with somebody, so you will say, this is not fair. This is the fair. It means that you are not approving his action. Normally a person who is not good in his action, for example, and you're feeling that he is not fair in that case, then you can speak this sentence, this is not fair. Sentence number 3. This sentence is about the praise. I mean that you are satisfied. You are basically feeling satisfied. This is not that you are only a teacher and you are praising your student, but you can also say this for your maybe son, maybe for your nephew. For example, you're feeling, you are checking his, observing his copy, and you are feeling that his notebook is fine, and there are some very good remarks from the teacher. Then you can say that you are a good student. You are a good student. It's an assertive sentence, and this is also a common use sentence. And this is also assertive sentence in which you are showing your positive behavior. You are showing your positive behavior by saying this: I am in favor of this matter. I am in favor of this matter. It means that there is some matter in which the person is asking some favor and you are giving him the favor, and you are saying that I am basically in favor of this matter, right? Students, this was about the affirmative sentence, and affirmative sentence was the first type of sentence. And in our next video, inshallah, we will discuss about the second type of sentences. And take care of you, take care of your family and friends, and also subscribe the channel related to the spoken English course, on the YouTube here, related to the I-CET Academy. The complete name of the channel, Tokir's I-CET Computer Academy. You can channel that, and you can subscribe that channel, and you can also press the bell icon to get the more informative videos.